Hello there, and welcome to Achievers Eden in Grade 9 Mathematics with me, your teacher, Mr. Booster. In this video, we're going to discuss on matrices. A matrix is a set of elements arranged in rows and columns to form a rectangular framework. Let's take a look at the way questions are asked in paper 1. Given that the matrix P is equal to 2, negative 1, 3, 0. The question reads, state the order of matrix P. State the order of matrix P. So we're saying that matrices we read from rows to columns. From rows to columns. We start by rows, then we go to the columns. So what are rows? So we're saying that rows, these are the number of lines running from left to right, the number of elements running from left to right, while columns, these are the lines of elements running from north to south or top to bottom. So when we look at this matrix, how many lines are running from left to right? How many lines are running from left to right? So we're saying the order, so we can say solution. So our A is talking about stating the order of the matrix. So we're saying that we start by the rows. So it's C, rows by column. So how many rows do we have? Lines running from left to right. So we're saying we got this line and this line. How many lines are we having that are running from left to right? We're saying we've got 2. So we're saying we've got 2 rows by how many columns? Columns, we said lines running from north to south or top to bottom. How many lines are we having there? So we're saying we've got 1 and 2. So the order of this matrix, it is 2 by 2. We've got 2 rows and 2 columns. That's the order of matrix P. B. B is saying find. So B, we're saying find negative 2P. So P, we're going to list the elements that are in P. So this negative 2 is a scalar, and we're going to multiply our scalar with all the elements that are in P. So let's start. Negative multiplied by a positive is going to give us negative 2 multiplied by positive 2. We're going to have negative 4. Negative 2 multiplied by 3, it is going to give us negative 6. Very good. Negative multiplied by a negative number, it always gives us a positive. And any number multiplied by 1 is that number itself, isn't it? So negative 2 multiplied by negative 1, we're going to get a 2. Negative 2 multiplied by 0. Any number multiplied by 0, it is 0. This is our final and correct answer. So you are likely to meet such a question in Mathematics Grade 9 Paper 1. The first question is likely going to be stating the order of the matrix. So how do we state the order? We start by the rows. How many rows are we having? So rows, we're saying that these are lines running from left to right. Then after stating the order of the rows, we go to the columns. Lines running from north to south or top to bottom. 1, 2. As simple as that. That's it for me, Mr. Booster. Have a blessed day. God bless.